Good afternoon, everybody. Here on a quick trip to see the lovely Deborah Contessa, and we're here with our lovely drone chap, and he wants to remain anonymous, but hopefully we're going to be splicing some bits and bobs in, aren't we?
Absolutely, yes.
So, what would you like to tell us about this lovely chapel?
This is our Grade 2 listed. Got a mortuary chapel.
Okay.
Built in the high Gothic style. It was never used for services except for burials. The priest could look out of the window and watch the cortege coming up the main drive. And it's such a shame we are unable to get in it at the moment. Very sad indeed.
Where's the key?
I think Carlton have the key, but we're not sure whether the council has sealed it.
It would be good if we could get the key back for Friends of Layton Cemetery, wouldn't it?
Absolutely, yes.
We're just going to take a little bit of a walk round. It's stopped raining!
Hurrah!
Hurrah! It is a bit windy though, isn't it? But
Just a bit.
to be fair, it's been better weather than we've had before. I'm just happy it's not raining.
Yes.
Oh, some of the slates come off.
They've got the big cans up there.
Do they? Oh, dear, that's not good. I always like this bit because it sort of dips, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I remember the first time I sort of visited properly and I was absolutely amazed how big.
Bigger than you think, isn't it?
Yeah. Then again, so's Carlton, isn't it?
That's massive. It doesn't have so much character.
Oh, good grief, no. We're biased, of course, aren't we? So you're planning to do some tours when the weather gets better?
Oh, absolutely. Come Easter, there'll be no stopping me.
Fantastic. Will there be murder ones?
Absolutely.
Yay!
There'll be all the gruesome and grisly horribleness you can shake a stick at.
Excellent, or an axe, perhaps.
Yes. Or your weapon of choice.
Oh, thank you very much.